Now let's have 1.5.2, factoring by grouping method. To factor a trinomial of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, we can use the grouping method. Study the given examples. Example number 1, factor 3x squared plus 13x minus 30. First step, factor out the common factors other than 1 or negative 1. Meron bang common factors yung tatlo? Other than 1 or negative 1? So step 1, no common factors. Step 2 na tayo. Identify the value of a, b, and c. Then find the two integers whose product AC and whose sum is b. Katulad lang din ng kanina sa factoring the general trinomial. So this time kasi meron na siyang numerical coefficient na mas mataas sa 1. Okay? Step 2, alamin natin yung a, b, and c. Yung a natin ay 3. A is 3. B is 13. C is negative 30. Find two integers. Hanap na tayo ng two integers na kapag minultiply ay AC at kapag inad ay B. Okay. Una, i-multiply muna natin ang A at C. A times C is, what is A? 3. What is C? Negative 30. So, ang AC ay negative 90. So, ano ang factor ni negative 90 na kapag pinlas ay B? Okay, yung B 13. So, start with 1. 1, dahil negative si 90, yung isa dyan, negative. Alin ang negative? Yung mas maliit. Kasi ang nasa middle term na operation ay addition. So, ang negative ay 1. Negative 1 times 90. O, ano yung sum niyan? Positive 89. Bakit positive? Kasi positive yung mas malaking number. Next, negative 2 times 45. Okay. Negative 2 times 45 is negative 90. Negative 2 plus 45 is 43. Hindi pa. Dapat mag 13. Okay. 3. Negative 3 times 30. Negative 3 plus 30. 27. 4. Pwede ba yung 4? Cannot be. 5. Pwede ba? Yes. Negative 5 times 18. 90 yan. Negative 90 ang sagot pag tinimes yan. So, negative 5 plus 18. Yun. Positive 13. So, pwede ka na mag-stop dito. Take note of this too. Because their product is negative, the integers must have different signs. So, dahil ang product ng AC ay negative, dapat ang integers ay magkaiba ng sign, different signs. Okay? Because their sum is positive, the integer with greater absolute value must be positive. Dahil daw ang sum na kukuhanin natin ay positive, kung ano raw ang number or ang integer na may mas malaking value ay positive. Kaya nalalaman natin kung alin ang negative at ano ang positive. Depende dun. Yung sum natin na B. Katulad kanina, negative yung middle term or yung sum. Ibig sabihin, negative yung mas malaking number. Ngayon naman, dahil positive yung B, positive yung mas malaking number. So, yun yung explanation nito. Okay, step number 3. Replace the middle term, bx, with a sum or difference using the two integers found in step 2. Palitan mo raw yung middle term. Asan ang middle term dito? To, yung 13x, papalitan natin ng ano? Ng two integers na makikita sa step 2. Okay? Diba ito yung two integers? Lagyan na natin ng variable dito. Negative 5x plus 18x equals 13x. Sulat natin yung given. Ito step 2. Step 3. Copy the given. 3x squared plus 13x minus 30. Replace mo raw. Palitan mo yung 13x. Palitan mo ng dalawang integers na may variable. Bring down 3x squared. Ano yun na una? 5x negative. Dahil negative siya, minus 5x plus 18x. Then, alisin mo na yun ha. Kasi napalitan na natin siya ng dalawang integers. So, copy minus 30. Okay? I-group na natin. Lagyan na natin ng quantity. Okay, yung plus parating nasa labas. Now, let's have the step number 4. Factor by grouping. Ano ang common sa dalawang term? Common factors. Yes, ang common factors ay x. Isa nga lang. Ilabas natin. So, ano natira kay 3x squared? Ang natira sa kanya ay 3x. Okay, ang natira kay 5x ay 5. Copy the subtraction. Next, plus, ano ang common factor sa kanila? Hanapin natin ang common factor. Bakit ma'am? Bakit hindi po common? Ma'am, bakit po walang common factor sa 3 and 5? They are prime numbers. So, ang factor lang nila ay 1 or negative 1. Si 18 at 30, merong GCF yan. Ano-ano factor ni 18? 1, 2, 3, 4, hindi. 5, hindi. 6, 9, 18. Yan. Si 30, anong factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 30. Alamin mo na yung greatest common factor. Ano yung dalawa na pareha sa kanila? Na pinakamalaki. That is 6. Okay? Factor out mo. 6. May common factor ba sa variable? Wala. Dahil yung 30, walang variable. Okay. 18x divided by 6. 3x. Minus 30 divided by 6. 5. Dapat parehas ng dalawang quantity. 3x minus 5. So, as 1 na yan. Then, yung dalawang finactor out mo, x and 6, pagsasamahin, combine together, becomes x plus 6. And that is the factorization of this even. Okay, example 2. Factor 2x squared plus 11x plus 12 by grouping method. Step 1. Factor out the common factors other than 1 or negative 1. So, dito, walang common factors sa tatlong term. Move na tayo sa step number 2. Identify the value of A, B, and C. So, A is 2. B is 11. And C is 12. Next, maghahanap na tayo ng dalawang integers na kapag minultiply ay AC and kapag pinlas ay B. So, let's have the table. First, let us multiply AC. A is 2 and C is 12. 2 times 12 is 24. So, dahil positive ang product and positive ang sum, so magiging madali na lang dahil ang factors ay magiging positive parehas ng sign. So, ano ang factor ni 24 na kapag pinlas ay 11? Let us find. Start with 1. 1 times 24 is 24. And 1 plus 24 is 25. How about 2? 2 times 12 is 24. And 2 plus 12 is 14. 3 times 8 is 24. And 3 plus 8 is 11. So, stop ka na dito kasi nag-satisfy na siya sa second condition. Lagyan na natin ang variable. 3x plus 8x equals 11x. Let's have step number 3. Replace na natin. Copy the given. 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. Bring down the first term. Then replace natin yung second term ng nakuha nating dalawang integers. Plus 3x plus 8x. Bring down 12. Okay. Yan ang quantity. Then factor out. Ano yung common factor sa dalawang term? X. So, 2x squared divided by x, 2x. Plus 3x divided by x, 3. Factor ng 8 and 12. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So, anong greatest common factor nila? 4. So, factor out 4. Then, divide 8x divided by 4, 2x, plus 12 divided by 4, 3. Parehas tayo ng dalawang quantity. And then, write as 1. And then, combine together yung pinactor out natin. X plus 4. And that is the factorization of this given. For example number 3, pwede mong sagutan yan sa scratch paper. And this is the solution. Find the process. Lesson 1.5.3, Factoring by Trial and Error. You can also use trial and error method in factoring a trinomial. In this method, you can make educated guesses about the factors. Then, you can multiply to check if one of the guesses is correct. Example 1. Factor 5x squared minus 22x plus 8 by trial and error. First term, which is 5x squared. Since prime number si 5, ang factors lang ay 1 and 5. Meaning, yung product ng first terms ng binomial ay 5x squared. Itong given na to ay possible na 5x plus blank times x plus blank. So, sa answer pa lang, meron na tayong sagot sa unang terms, sa first terms. So, hindi ko na kailangan isulat yung 1 sa tabi ng x, invisible 1, understood. Sa last term naman, 8. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng ang factors ay 1 and 8, 2 and 4. Pwede rin negative 1 and negative 8, negative 2 and negative 4. Lahat ng yan, kapag minultiply mo, positive 8 ang kalalabasan. So, remember the FOIL method. F means first terms. O means outer terms. I means inner terms. L means last terms. So, yan, gagamitin natin yan for this topic. So, here are the possibilities. First, ginamit natin yung 1 and 8. So, copy 5x plus x times x plus 8. Next, 2 and 4. Copy 5x plus 2 times x plus 4. Third, 5x, since negative 1, we're going to use subtraction. So, minus 1 times x minus 8. And last, negative 2 and negative 4. 5x minus 2 times x minus 4. So, itong FOIL method. And then the result. First terms. Ang first terms FOIL method ay 5x and x. 5x times x, 5x squared. Outer terms, ang outer terms ay x and 8. X times 8, 8x. Inner terms, x and x. So, correction, this is 1. So, 1 and x. 1 times x is x. And the last terms, 1 and 8. 1 times 8 is 8. Let's have the result. Combining the terms or combining common terms, 8x and x. So the result is copy 5x squared plus 8x plus x, 9x plus 8.
Sa picture na to, makikita nyo ang tamang FOIL method at result ng unang possibility. So, ayan, pag-aralan nyo rin.
For the first possibility, hindi siya nag-satisfy doon sa given. So, move forward tayo sa second possibility. 5x squared, outer terms, 5x times 4 plus 20x. Inner terms, 2 times x plus 2x. Last terms, 2 times 4 plus 8. Result, copy 5x squared, then 20x plus 20x plus 2x, 22x plus 8. Hindi pa rin nag-satisfy because ang operation ng middle term ay subtraction. Ito ay addition. Third, 5x squared. Outer, 5x times negative 8, negative 40x. Inner, negative 1 times x, negative x. Last terms, negative 1 times negative 8, positive 8. Combining common terms, and the result is 5x squared minus 41x plus 8. Lalong hindi, dahil ang numerical coefficient ay dapat 22, not 41. How about the last possibility? So 5x squared, outer is 5x times negative 4, negative 20x. Inner is negative 2 times x, negative 2x. Last is negative 2 times negative 4 plus 8. And the result is 5x squared, negative 20x minus 2x, negative 22x plus 8. Parehas na ba sa mismong given? Yan. So, ang fourth possibility ang nag-satisfy sa given natin. Naging magkaparehas na sila. This means, ito ang factorization ng given. And this is the answer. 5x minus 2 times x minus 4. And that is the factoring by trial and error. So, pwede mong masagutan yung mga polynomials using this type of factoring. Pero, time-consuming siya. Kahit na time-consuming, masasagutan mo pa rin siya. For example 2, if you want to answer this, sagutan mo sa scratch paper, and this is the answer. Tignan natin kung magiging magkaparehas tayo ng sagot.